How to show battery percentage in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to check your battery percentage, then simply swipe down and here you can check your battery percentage. And the another way to check your battery percentage, then simply press and hold of any app and then click on edit home screen and then click on edit and then click on add widget and then click on clock and here you can then search battery and here you can add your battery widget and then click on add and after add click on done. You can see your battery from your home screen. So this is the way to show battery percentage in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.